Hey, Chuck here. Um, I'm all for blowing up these narco terrorist boats, using the legal system and saying that it's self defense for all of us. But how about during the most transparent administration in history that you give us the lowdown about it before that, without exposing anything that's going to ruin your investigations on further boats being blown up? But how about let's look at maritime law and let's look at the actual law and let's go intercept them and arrest these guys and figure out who the big dogs are. I mean, isn't that how we always operate? But we're not trying to hear that nowadays, right? Do y'all really think that blowing up these boats has anything to do with drugs? Do you really think in your mind, please tell yourself, ask yourself, do you really think the government gives two shits about stopping drugs from coming into our country unless it actually gets into their bottom line? Something to think about.